Okay, where's the peace? Okay, my problem is school violence and how that kind of affects your learning. The solution to the problem is to have a student-led assembly, and it will bring awareness to the community and help students understand the importance of nonviolence. I 3D printed this thing on this symbol on Tinkercad that symbolizes peace and nonviolence, and then that would be the assembly for the agenda. No, the agenda for the assembly. And my value proposition is unique because unlike an announcement from a principal, a student-led assembly would allow students to share their feelings and real experiences and provide solutions to school violence. And to conclude, this was not easy to make. So neither is like solving violence or peace. So where's the peace?
Yeah!